Hi guys, and welcome back to another video.
Welcome back. Today we have got another exciting one. So we are kayaking down the River Mersey and we're going all the way from East Didsbury to Sale.
So we've just got off the tram at East Didsbury now and we're walking our way to the water sports centre. Very excited because we haven't done this before, in a double kayak as well.
Yeah, but it's quite a long one. So it says it should take 2.5 hours to actually do the full trip. But the good thing is the finishing stop is a pub.
Yes.
So we finish at a pub to have a pint.
Yeah, we're very excited to see what it's like. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and we'll head there now and see what it's like.
Let's go.
So we're just doing a nice little walk now actually. So we got off the tram at East Didsbury like we said, and then it's about a 20-minute walk.
Miles.
But it's actually quite a nice little walk along some paths and stuff.
Are you mad?
There's some forest.
We're just walking through a random lane.
I feel like we haven't gone walking in ages, so maybe I'm just enjoying being out in nature. But
it's literally just a random lane we're walking down.
I think it's quite nice. It's not next to a road.
I disagree.
There's no houses around. There's some plants about, you know. Anyway, all in all, it takes about an hour from Manchester city centre to get to this place. We hope, otherwise we're going to be late. We don't know what to expect, do we, Gaz?
I hope there's a kayak and water.
We think that's it, don't we, Gaz?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
So we think this way?
No, I think that way. This is the gate.
Oh yeah. Right, let's see.
Yeah. Come through, ladies.
Just walking for our safety instructions, I think, aren't we?
We are.
It's a massive group of us as well, which is hilarious chaos, pretty much.
We've got our life jackets, our oars, and our helmets on. So we've got all the gear, but no idea at the moment.
Pretty much. I feel like
all we need now is a boat.
I'm kidding myself if I'm thinking I'm not going to fall in like paddleboarding, because I feel like it's going to be a lot easier to be in today. So it was at this point the instructor began to tell us about 40,000 commands we needed to follow to not fall in the river and die.
Normally you go through the middle, but the middle's gone all gravelly and shallow. The right hand side. So line up quite early, don't wait too late, go through the right hand side. Middle all the way. When you get to Northenden, where you're finishing and where you three are finishing, the green bridge, and it says Danger Weir. Spelled D-A-N-G-E-R. Yeah.
Right, come on, we need to carry the boat.
Okay.
Let the adventure begin.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm doing a quick shoe change though.
There's nothing quick about a shoe change. And we're off!
And we're off.
Oh, we're already not going in the right direction.
We are.
So it was hilarious. The guy was trying to explain to us where to go. Honestly, we do not have a clue.
It's like when you ask someone, oh, what's the directions in a car, and you're in a different country and they're like, at the roundabout, take a left and then you see the bridge and then the left,
Yeah.
take a right and then the left. And he was like, if you hit that right, you'll flip over. And he was like, you'll be fine on the left. And then we looked at each other. Everybody ready? Yeah.
I had no idea.
So with absolutely no idea where we were going or what we were doing, we started paddling down the river in the hopes that we would choose the right side of the river once we hit the rapids. River roulette.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Oh. Some random guy on a bike with, what was it like?
Singing, I am sailing.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. I don't know if he put it on deliberately, but if not, that's like the best time. I am sailing.
We were literally waving like this. I am sailing.
This river smells a bit musky though, doesn't it?
It smells a bit rank and there's flies everywhere.
And Abby's not doing any pedalling.
I've done way more than you, thank you.
Look at her, she's not even using her oar. You asked me a minute ago, what way round does it go?
Don't underestimate me, thank you. The first rapids are approaching. The guy did say that we need to lean forward. Gaz, you're about to steer us into some rocks.
What's that? Lean forward?
Rocks, yeah, lean forward for the rapids. I'm a bit nervous.
I don't think they're as big as you think though.
Yeah, I don't know with us, dude. No, we need to go right.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm going right.
Do I need to paddle? Oh god. We're hitting the bottom. Yeah, I'm sure he said right. Okay, I'm forward. Oh god. I have no way. Whoa, go. We need to go left. Yeah. Alright, okay. It's all good. Whoa.
Yeah, don't worry, there's a rock there.
Big rock. There it is. Whoa. We made it out alive!
Oh.
And we're rolling down the river. So, a little bit of information about the trip. It's called Adventure Out and it was £40 for a 2.5 hour journey down the river.
Yeah, you start off at the Adventure Out Centre in East Didsbury, which is the same place as Burnage Rugby Club. So if you just head to Burnage Rugby Club and park there, and then we go all the way down, I think, to the Boathouse pub in Sale, I think.
And what's your verdict so far?
Yeah, it's fun.
There's been a few rapids, which is exciting. Looking forward to the one that he was really like, you must go in this area, otherwise you will flip. So
It's just a nice thing to do in Manchester, isn't it?
yeah, nice and leisurely. Really nice day today as well, like 17 degrees. So obviously really nice to be on water when it's sunny. But yeah, I can hear coming up ahead a road which I think leads to the rapids. So best get paddling. We're about 2 hours behind the rest of the team. Race! Forward! Ah!
Whoa.
That was pretty fast, those rapids. Yeah. That was a fast one, guys. If you couldn't tell on the old camera. Ah! Is this right?
Ah, yeah. Get it on the motor.
I am, it's on. I'm nervous though, this one's going, oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god! It's so wet! Get that way! Let's get off a second. Are we supposed to wait, guys? Come. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to stop.
Are you going to stop?
Yeah. Stop for a second. Ah.
Yeah, that's it. Go.
Having a little pit stop after we got drenched through. It's a 5 minute on the island, which is where the other groups, half of the other groups is stopping here when we get picked up. We'll carry on for a bit longer, but it looks like it gets a lot more rapidy after that. As we were, come talk about that thing.
What?
Come talk about the steep thing. So as you approached the steep thing, it honestly looked like you weren't supposed to go down.
It looks like a dam.
It looked like you were just going to drop off a cliff. So we didn't actually know what we were doing. We just saw the people in the side. They were like, go to the left. And then you just went straight down. And
It was pretty mental, actually.
yeah, it was fun, wasn't it?
It was fun.
And we got absolutely
I want to go
drenched.
back up and do it again, but we can't.
Yeah, good luck with that. Yeah, now we're absolutely drenched through, so that'd be nice for the pub. But yeah, that was really good. Really enjoyed that bit. Don't know how much longer we've got left, but we'll see. We are back on the river again after our little 2 minute breather, and we think we're on the second leg of the trip. I don't know how long this bit will take.
We've gone through Didsbury and Northington, and now we're heading towards Sale.
Now we're on our way to Sale. It's got a lot quieter.
I don't have a map
We don't have a map.
compass, but I believe that.
Yeah. Quick. Whoa. Forward. Whoa. Forward. Yeah. Smashed it.
Nice one out.
Smashed it. Whoa. Right. Right. Turn it. Good. Yeah.
What?
Turn it.
Right, so we have finished the kayaking, and it took about 2 hours of actual rowing. It was so fun, but we are absolutely soaked.
Yes, soaking wet. But there is a pub right here, so we'll definitely need to refuel now, and then maybe we'll debrief properly.
Yeah,
we've had
I think we'll go to the pub.
Yeah.
Get a pint, get some nuts as well. I want some nuts.
Yeah, maybe some chips.
Oh yeah, chips.
Yeah.
We've got a well-deserved pint at Jackson's Boathouse. So we've gone all the way from Didsbury to Jackson's Boathouse.
In Sale.
In Sale. We've got a pint and we've got some cheesy chips on the way. So it's been a good time.
Is there a top tip we need to tell people?
Yeah, look, make sure you bring a change of clothes. We're both soaked. We've got like bits and bobs, like a t-shirt. Abby's took all of my dry clothes because she didn't bring hers. So
Aww.
I'm sitting here shaking, cold,
so cold
and wet. But yeah, it was really good. Don't look too bad today.
Some basket fries. Get the salt on.
We have just finished our drinks and we're waiting for the tram to go back to town now.
We probably would have stayed way longer if we were in warm clothes, but unfortunately we're freezing.
Unfortunately, we wasn't prepared, so we've got to go home because we're shivering in
literally.
the beer garden.
But it was really fun. I would highly recommend that. It wasn't too much to, like, what, 40 quid, 20 quid each for 2.5 hour afternoon activity. So highly would recommend if you get a chance to do it.
Yeah.
It was really good, wasn't it?
It turned out with like drinks and food, like 25 quid day out.
Yeah.
Which is like really, really good fun.
Yeah, well, we've got an aeroplane going overhead right now.
Wait, be quiet, aeroplane.
And the airplane's gone. Yeah, but anyway, really good day, really enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week for next week's adventure.
See you next week.
Bye.